Hello students, today we discuss about Dow MDCAT past paper of Physics 2019. Our first MCQs is 161. In Campton is scattering experiment, the X-ray wavelength change lambda is dash. Here h is Planck constant and m naught is rest mass of electron and theta is the range after scattering. इसका करेक्ट ऑप्शन है हमारा ऑप्शन सी. MCQs number 162. An object is falling down with a speed of 20 meter per second. After 3 seconds, its velocity will be dash meter per second. And gravity हमें given है. तो हमें बताना है कि कितने सेकंड में उस 3 सेकंड्स में उसकी वेलोसिटी क्या होगी. इसका करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन बी 50. MCQs number 163. In Young's double slit experiment, if D is separation between two slits, lambda is wavelength of light and theta is angle of line from center of slits to the point of observation on the screen. Then for maxima bright fringe the formula is. इसका करेक्ट फॉर्मूला आपके पास क्या है. इसका करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन बी. ये इसका करेक्ट फॉर्मूला है और ये चैप्टर नंबर 9 से एमसीक्यूज है. 164. द पोलराइजेशन ऑफ लाइट बाय टर्मेलाइन क्रिस्टल्स इज ड्यू टू डैश इफेक्ट. ये किस इफेक्ट की वजह से होता है. इसका करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन डी सिलेक्टिव एब्जॉर्प्शन की वजह से. और ये हमारा एमसीक्यूज जो इन्होंने दिया हुआ है वो चैप्टर नंबर 9 से है. MCQs number 165. A paratrooper is falling down with uniform velocity and also rotating with a constant angular velocity of 0.2 radian per second. The body satisfies. तो इसका करेक्ट ऑप्शन है हमारा ऑप्शन सी फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड कंडीशन ऑफ इक्विलिब्रियम. MCQs नंबर 166. इफ यू अब हमारे पास यूरेनियम कहलाता है. हमारे पास के नंबर्स भी दिए हुए हैं. डिकेज बाय इमिटिंग 2 अल्फा 1 बीटा एंड 2 गैमा रेज. द न्यू डॉटर एलिमेंट वाई इज डैश. तो इसका न्यू डॉटर एलिमेंट्स हमारे पास क्या होगा. करेक्ट ऑप्शन है बी. MCQs number 167. A changing current in a coil sets up a changing magnetic field around its which is bound include an electromotive force यानी कि EMF in it. This effect is known as. इस effect को क्या कहते हैं. Self induction means के option C. MCQs number 168. The principle of an AC generator is. AC generator का principle क्या है. Faraday's law means के option B. MCQs number 169. A material that does not become radioactive after absorbing neutrons is called. इसका करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन सी मीन्स के कंट्रोल मटेरियल. MCQs number 170. The Bragg's law for measurement of wavelength lambda of X-rays using crystal let lattice planes having distance d between each other for constructive interference for integral multiple of lambda is. तो इसका करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन सी m lambda 2d sin theta. MCQs number 171. The velocity of particles is related to time according to equation v equals to c t cube. The dimension of constant c r. c की dimension हमारे पास क्या होगी. करेक्ट ऑप्शन है सी L इनवर्स T 4. एंड ये चैप्टर नंबर 1 से रिलेटेड है MCQs. MCQs number 172. What should the distance of an object from a convex lens of focal length F equals to 10 centimeter in order to produce an erect image twice as large as the object. Correct option is D. 5 centimeter from the length. MCQ 173. The scalar or dot product of वेक्टर डैश वेक्टर यानी कि 3i माइनस 2j प्लस 4k एंड नेक्स्ट 2i प्लस 2j माइनस 3k, इनका डॉट प्रोडक्ट और स्केलर प्रोडक्ट का आंसर है हमारे पास b -10. MCQs number 174. The sum of kinetic energy and the potential energy is always constant provided dash motion. कौन सी मोशन हमें प्रोवाइड करता है? ऑप्शन बी, बॉडी इज इन सिंपल हार्मोनिक मोशन. MCQs 175. 3 times decreases in the distance between the plates of a parallel plate capacitor will. Correct option C. Increase the capacitance 3 times. MCQs 176. A car of mass 1200 kg initially at rest has been accelerated to a speed of at 8 meter per second in 16 meters. Average acceleration of car is dash meter per second square and force is dash Newton. Correct option? Option D. MCQs 177. In SI system of unit, the fundamental unit of length, mass and time are dash dash and dash respectively. SI यूनिट सिस्टम में इनके यूनिट्स होते हैं हमारे पास मीटर, किलोमीटर एंड सेकंड, सॉरी किलोग्राम. ये चैप्टर 1 से है MCQs. MCQs number 178. In nuclear physics, the mass defect is referred to. न्यूक्लियर फिजिक्स में मास रेफर करता है. इसका करेक्ट ऑप्शन है सी. डिफरेंस इन मासेस ऑफ फ्री न्यूक्लियर constituent एंड बॉन्डेड न्यूक्लियस. MCQs number 179. The formula for Paschen series for hydrogen spectrum is dash. Correct option? Option D. MCQs number 180. The necessary condition for the Boyle's law to hold is that the process must be. इस process का नाम है isothermal. MCQs number 181. In inelastic collision, the kinetic energy before and after the collision dash, but the movement of the system before and after the collision is B. Changes and conserved. MCQs number 182. Which statement describes the electric potential difference between 2 points in electric field of charge Q? Correct option C. The work done is moving a test charge between points divided by the magnitude test charge. And next, MCQs number 183. When an object is thrown upward, it rises to height h. How high is the object in terms of h? And when it has lost 1/3 या 1/3 of its original kinetic energy? Correct option है B. h/3. MCQ number 184. The internal energy of the system decreases in an adiabatic process. Which of the following must be true regarding this process? Correct option B. Work is done by the system. Number 185. If mu naught is permeability of the medium and परमेबिलिटी का ये सैम्पल है आपके पास डिनोट करने का, इज परमिटिविटी ऑफ द medium, then value of 1 upon mu naught and permittivity is equal to dash. तो ये किसके बराबर होगा? इसका करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन डी, स्पीड ऑफ लाइट। MCQs number 186 in a step up transformer, इसका करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन डी। MCQs number 187, if compressible medium has bulk modulus denoted by B and density denoted by rho, इसको rho पढ़ते हैं, then the Newton formula for speed of sound is medium is dash। तो इसका करेक्ट ऑप्शन है हमारे पास ए, ये इसका करेक्ट फॉर्मूला है। MCQs number 188, in order to produce pair production the minimum energy of photon required is correct option B, 1.02 MeV। MCQs number 189, the Bohr's postulate for stationary orbits of hydrogen atom is dash. Here m is mass of electron, v velocity, r orbital radius, and h is Planck's constant. Correct option B. mvr equals to nh upon 2 pi. MCQs number 190, a car starts from rest and moves with constant acceleration during fourth second of its motion. It cover a distance of 21 meter. The acceleration of the car is dash meter per second square. Our correct option is B, 6. MCQs number 191, which particle marked A is obtained in following nuclear reaction? ये हमें reaction दिया हुआ है, करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन बी। MCQs number 192, an electron is moving with velocity v, has movement 3 into 10 raised minus 26 kg meter per second. The de Broglie wavelength associate with it is dash। वैल्यू h की दी हुई है हमें, तो इसका करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन सी, 22.1 नैनोमीटर। 100 MCQs 193, the Laplace's correction to Newton's formula is based on the fact that the compressions and rarefactions occur as dash। Correct option is A, adiabatic process। MCQs number 194, a car 500 kg is traveling at a constant speed of 9 meter per second rounds a curve of 100 meter. What is the centripetal force? Correct option is C, 405 Newton। MCQs number 195, when a train while whistling passes near you, a considerable change in the pitch of sound is heard. When the train is moving away, the pitch of the sound dash, whereas the pitch of the sound dash when the train is approaching. Correct option is C, decreases and increases। MCQs number 196, the vector product of two vectors A and B is dash vectors A and B। MCQs, इसका करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन सी, perpendicular to plane containing। MCQs number 197, if a conductor carrying current I is placed in uniform magnetic field B, it experiences a magnetic force F. The direction of this force is dash। Correct option is D, is perpendicular to both current and magnetic field। MCQs number 198, a battery of 12 volts is connected to three resistors of 4 ohms, 5 ohms, and 3 ohm joined together in parallel. The current through the 3 ohm resistance is dash 4 point, यानी कि ऑप्शन डी 4.0 एम्पियर। MCQs number 199. If time interval between occurrence of two events is measured in a frame with no relative motion in which two events occur, then the time t measured by observer in a frame moving with relative velocity v is dash. Correct option A, option B. MCQs number 200. A traveling wave in which the particle of the distributed medium move parallel to the direction of propagation of the wave is called dash. इसका आंसर आप कमेंट बॉक्स में हमें बताइएगा एंड प्लीज थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग प्लीज सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल.